Oil changes used to be simple. Drain the oil, replace the filter, add new oil.
Done.
Today, it's different. Modern cars need very specific oil. The wrong type can actually damage the engine. Turbo engines run hotter. Engines are under more pressure, and oil matters more than ever. Some cars even track your driving habits to decide when you need an oil change. That sounds smart until you try doing it yourself. Now, many vehicles require electronic resets, special procedures, and warning systems just to finish a basic oil change. Something that used to take a wrench now sometimes needs a computer. Cars used to be mechanical. If something broke, you could usually fix it yourself. People changed their own oil, replaced their own brakes, swapped alternators and driveways. You didn't need special software. You didn't need subscriptions. And you definitely didn't need a dealership just to reset a warning light. Most repairs were straightforward. But modern cars are different. Today, even basic maintenance can turn into a complicated process. Simple jobs now involve electronics, sensors, computers, and software systems. Most drivers don't understand. And for many people, that's when cars stopped feeling reparable. A lot of drivers noticed this change slowly. At first, it was small things. A warning light that wouldn't disappear. A battery replacement that suddenly needed programming. Then the costs started growing. Repairs that once took minutes now took hours. Simple parts became harder to access. Plastic covers hid everything. And more systems became connected to computers. For older mechanics, this felt like a completely different world. And for younger drivers, many never even learned how cars worked in the first place. Modern cars became harder to repair. That's the reality. Many repairs now require special tools, computer software, dealer programming, and electronic resets. Even simple maintenance can become expensive. A battery replacement might need coding. An oil change might need a reset procedure. And because of this, more people stopped fixing their own cars. Drivers became dependent on dealerships for problems they used to solve themselves. Manufacturers say this complexity improves safety, fuel economy, performance, and emissions. And in many ways, they're right. Modern cars are faster, cleaner, and more advanced than ever before. But there's a trade-off. The more technology cars gained, the less control owners had over repairing them. For many drivers, cars stopped feeling like machines they owned and started feeling like devices they needed permission to fix. Some mechanics are now warning that modern vehicles are becoming disposable, not because engines fail faster, but because repairs became too expensive. A single sensor can cost hundreds. A touchscreen can cost thousands. And one electronic problem can disable multiple systems at once. For many owners, repair bills started becoming larger than the value of the car itself. And that changes how people see vehicles. Cars used to last decades. Now many people worry their car could become outdated long before the engine even dies. There may not be a perfect solution, but many drivers are starting to push back. More people are learning basic maintenance, buying older vehicles, supporting independent repair shops, and demanding the right to repair their own cars. Because at the end of the day, people don't just want transportation. They want ownership. They want the ability
To fix what they paid for.
And maybe the future of cars shouldn't only be about making vehicles smarter. Maybe it should also be about making them reparable again. And this problem may only grow larger because cars are becoming more connected every year. Software updates, subscriptions, driver monitoring systems, and internet-connected features are becoming normal. Some vehicles can already lock features behind paywalls, track driving behavior, and receive updates remotely, which means the future of driving may depend less on mechanical skill and more on software access. The question is no longer, can you fix your own car? Now, the question is, will you even be allowed to? Cars have come a long way. They're safer,
Faster.
smarter, more advanced than ever before. But somewhere along the way, many drivers feel like they lost something. Not just simplicity, but control. Because a car used to feel like something you owned. Now, for many people, it feels more like something you're only allowed to operate. And maybe that's the real question modern drivers need to ask. When cars become too complicated to repair, do we still truly own them at all? Because the future of cars may not just depend on horsepower or technology, but on whether ordinary people still have the freedom to fix them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Truth Tuned for more videos about cars, technology, and the hidden changes shaping the future of driving. And let me know in the comments, do you think modern cars became too complicated? Or is this just the price of progress? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.